Have you heard of blockchain but still don't quite understand what it is or how it works? Do you feel lost with technical terms and complicated explanations? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain in a simple and quick way what blockchain is and why it's revolutionizing the world. If you want to understand this powerful technology without any hassle, you're in the right place. Let's uncover this mystery together and get you up to speed. Ready to discover? Let's imagine a simple story to understand all of this easily, as if we're just having a chat. Imagine that four friends, Juan, Pedro, Lucas, and Miguel, went out to dinner together. After dinner, Juan decided to pay the bill, and the friends agreed to split the cost equally. The next day, Miguel sends his share to Juan using a transfer app, and it goes smoothly. But when Pedro and Lucas try to do the same, something goes wrong, and the transfers don't go through. Juan finds out that these failures can happen for several reasons. The bank could be having issues, someone's account could have been hacked, or it could even be due to daily transfer limits. To avoid this kind of headache, a new idea came up. Cryptocurrencies, which are like a type of digital money that doesn't rely on banks or other institutions. This money uses a technology called blockchain, which is super secure and prevents fraud. There are many cryptocurrencies out there, with Bitcoin being the most well-known. By the way, make sure you're still subscribed to this channel so you don't miss the next amazing content. Now let's go back to the story of the friends. Imagine that instead of using regular money, Pedro, Lucas, and Miguel send 2 Bitcoins each to Juan as their payment for dinner. Every time one of them sends Bitcoins, a record is created, like an entry in a notebook, which is kept forever. This record also shows how many Bitcoins each friend has. So, after Miguel sends his Bitcoins, Juan ends up with 7 Bitcoins, and Miguel has 1 less. When Pedro and Lucas do the same, new records are created, and all these records are connected to each other, forming a chain called the blockchain. This chain is very secure because all the friends have a copy of it, and any attempt at fraud, like trying to send more Bitcoins than one has, would be quickly detected and blocked. And since each record is protected by super strong encryption, no one can change the data once it's recorded. This technology is so secure that even big companies like Walmart use blockchain to ensure the products they sell are always of good quality. For example, if a spoiled product is found, Walmart can pinpoint exactly where the problem occurred and fix it quickly. So, did you understand how blockchain works? It's like a super notebook that everyone can see, ensuring that everything is done fairly and securely. If you have more examples of where blockchain could be useful, let us know. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Leave a like, share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it, and comment below if you've thought of any other applications for blockchain. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.